Hello everyone, this is Nivedita from NST Coaching, and this is your silent letters in English word series, which we have already done half, and this is the half left out series, right? We have already gone through from A to L, and a good halfway is still left to go through, right? Quite tough. No, not at all, right? And let's begin with M. Lucky you don't have any silent letters with M, but in N you have to worry about a bit. But before going to all the letters and before giving the silent letters for N, let me give you a difference between M and N. Now see my mouth when I say M, see my lips are touching M, but when I say N, like N, my mouth is open and my tongue is lifting upward, right? This is your N. Why I'm telling you the difference? Because in your silent letters, when I give you the silent letters of N, there is an M sound silent in N, right? Quite confusing, right? So before going through, you don't have to worry, it is confusing, but before going through all the letters and your M and N sound, let me tell you one thing. Please, to know about all the silent letters, please watch the video full till the end, and before that, do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Subscribe button is given below with red icon, bell icon, right? So let's begin with the lesson. So N is our letter here, and here it's written dam. What I'm saying, N is silent, so this is your dam. Autumn, autumn, right? N is not pronounced here. Hymn, right? In church we go for our Hindu, we have Ved hymns, right? Then you have column. Now let's again, I'm telling you, dam, autumn, hymn, column. This is your N letters. Now next letter you have is your P. P can also be silent in words like receipt. What is it? Receipt. This is P is silent here. Psychology. Psychology. We begin with this S. This is silent. Psycho. This is silent. Right. How you say it? Receipt. Psychology. Psycho. And here you have paragraph. Now remember, P can also be silent when together with H, right? Together it is with H, where often F sound comes. Here your PH, this is your F. The sound is your, this is your F sound is coming here. From here, F sound is coming. F, paragraph, telephone, this two words, these are your F sound is coming here, right? This F sound is coming here. Paragraph, telephone, clear? Now next you have your R. Here in your R, only one, you can say only one word is there where it can be used as silent. It's a butter. You don't say butter. It is your butter, right? What do you say? Butter, right? Next you have your S. S can also be silent. I know you already struggled with this from your childhood, right? When you're small enough, when this type of word came, your parents, your teachers said, no, don't pronounce it. It is silent S, right? You have already struggled with this. Now, what is the word here? Island. Island. It's not island. It's island. Debris. Debris. Isle. What is it? Aisle. Go through this aisle, right? The bride is coming through the aisle. This is aisle. What is island? Debris. Aisle. Here what is there? Your letter S is silent. Now, next letter you have is your T. What is that? T. Now, letter T can also be little sneaky and also be silent, like it. In the example, what is the example? Ballet. How you pronounce this? Ballet. Soften. Soften. Gourmet. Gourmet. Asthma. What is that? Asthma. Christmas. Whistle. Listen. And castle. What is it? castle, ballet, soften, gorman, asthma, Christmas, whistle, listen, castle. Okay, our next letter is your U, and U can also be silent. I bet you didn't think of the letters when you started silent English letters, right? But it's quite common. Have a look at all these examples which we use on the daily basis, and these are the examples. First you have guitar. What's the example here? Guitar. Your U is silent here. Guilty, tongue, guard, colleague, guess. Guitar, guilty, tongue, guard, colleague, guess. Right? Next, let's move on to your next is your W. W is also silent when start of the word before R. When it is there with your R, okay, before R, when W is there, wrist, write, wrote. This is your silent, all silent letters, right? W, wrote. Then this is, I've put it here, wrong. It is R, right? W, this is wrong. Again, there are some common words where it can be silent when you say who. Who are you? Whole. Give me this whole. Two. Two things. Sort. This W is silent. Now, can you see there? So how this W is silent? Well, that it's for silent letters and silent letters series. If you got any questions or any queries, comment boxes just below. You can put on your queries, your questions, right, and get back to me with your questions. And I'll do one thing. I'll write down your queries and try to give all the answers to your queries. Right? Thank you for watching the video for till the end. Till then, this is Nivedita again from NSG Coaching. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.